So today's video is on question 9 and it's the Autodesk logo. So it's not the AutoCAD one. So it's just the Autodesk one over here, okay? And this is again dealing with isosceles triangles. So if we flick back to isosceles triangles have two equal sides and two equal angles. The sides opposite the equal angles are the same length. Okay, so there's our same angles, and the sides that are opposite to them, so with this one and this one, are of equal length. All right, so we're just moving on, we're working her through. So we've done our equilaterals, now we're doing our isosceles. So this little video, or this little question down here. All right, so nice and straightforward. Baseline, it tells us it is 130 millimeters long. So 130 millimeters long. Now we can't type that in, so we leave it as construction line from now, because again, everything in construction, and we'll heavy after. Now if we look in there, we see our two angles. So our two angles are 65 degrees. So get out your protractor. And remember, working up from 0. 0 sits on the line there, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and then it's the 5. So just be very careful with that one, alright? So join them two dots together. Again, construction lines, nice and light. We don't know how high up it goes, because we have to do our second angle over here. Set ourselves back up again. Remember, working the zeros on the baseline, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 5. Join the dots. And a light line up. So here we have our isosceles triangle, two equal angles, and the opposite sides are equal as well, then same length. All right. Now, what we're going to do next, if we're looking at the question, so I'll pop it back in again really quick. We see here we have our outside done. Now we need to basically create an internal triangle, and it's 25. Near like a border on a page. It's 25 in, 25 up, and we assume 25 on the opposite side. All right. So we'll do the easiest one first. We'll measure up 25 from the ground line. Up 25 mil. Remember, light line across. Now we're going to step in 25 mil. And we're going to go sliding set squares here. Okay. We could obviously remeasure our line, or our angle, I should say. But we're going to sliding set squares, just constant practice. There's a sliding set square there. Alright, 25 in from the opposite side here. Sliding set square again. So remember before, offer them up together, two of them together, find your line then. Over 90 degrees, it just speeds things up ever so slightly. Now, okay, so we've created our internal triangle, and don't forget to extend them construction lines out to the outsides. All right, now we'll put this back again. So you can see these blue lines, these light blue lines are those overextensions that we done. So it's only a matter now of following the heavy lines around. Okay, so I'll do the blue side first. So which would be the right hand side of our object. That's the blue side. Do our yellow side next. And last but not least, our green side. And there is our Autodesk logo. So put the little book beside us. There's our Autodesk logo completed. All right. Quick solution. Question 9, page 45 from our Discover Graphics book. Okay. Get that done.